Hi, this is my advanced database project. I have chosen to do the first option, that is RESTful web service. So I have created a Maven project. I'm using Eclipse. This is my project customer order Spring MVC, and these are my Java classes. Customer and order classes represent the entities, and this is the controller. This is a DO, and this is the class which contains the main. So let's start. First we need to start our server. I'm using Tomcat server. First we need to add our project. So here, this is my project. Just want to add it to the server, and now I am running the Tomcat server here. So as you can see here, our server has successfully started. So first let me explain my class. In this class I have all the CRUD operations for both customer and order, that is the create customer, create order, create, delete customer, delete order, update and retrieve of both customers and orders in this HTTP client test.java class. So I'll just show you how these methods work. So as we have already had the server started, I have my Oracle database server started. So these are the tables that I have for order and customer. This is the customer table. I have two customers here, and this is the order table. I have 5 orders for these two customers. So let's go to the web service. Here you can see I have typed the localhost 9080. This is the port number where it is Tomcat server here listens, and this is my project name, and I have given customer. This retrieves all the customers that I have. As you can see, I'll just reload the page. As you can see, these are the customers that I got. This is their ID. This is the customer name. This is the contact number, and this actually these represents all the CRUD operations here. You can see if the customer have any orders, that orders will be represented here. You just need to click it here, and it displays the here we can see the order details of the first customer. Order ID 1 and 4 are raised by John Jones, who is the first customer. So that you can check it again here in the SQL developer. As you can see, first order and the fourth order are raised by the customer of order ID 1. So this retrieves the details of orders of this particular customer, and this represents the edit customer, that is update customer, and this is the delete customer. And for every order you can have update order and delete order. If you want to add a new customer, you can add it here. In the same way, to create a new order, you can create a new order by clicking it here. So let's just look into each step by step. First of all, I want to do the create customer operation. So to create a customer, I want to just click it here to add a new record. A new window will open to asking you to enter the customer details to add a new record to the customer table. So here I just want to add a name, customer name. So these are the previous entries that I have. So I have entered the name as customer name as Soumya and the contact number as, and we just need to click save. As you can see, a new customer has been added here with customer name Soumya and odd contact name. You can check if there are any orders for this customer. Right now I have not placed any order for this customer, so the list is empty. So let's just create an order for the same customer that I have added. So first let's check if this newly added customer is represented in the data table. So I just clicking on SQL developer. So now previously there are only 2 customers in the customer table, as you can see it here. Now as I have added one more customer with name Soumya, so that should be represented in the list. So let's just select the statement, select all from customer table and run it. Now as you can see it here, you can see that a new customer has been added here. I just want to add a record for this customer. So let's go back. So I just want to add a order for this customer. So you need, so previously it was like, so this is the customer that I have added. For the customer, now I am doing the create order operation. So click it here. So currently there are no orders for this customer. So add an order to the customer. Now a new window opens asking you regarding the order ID. Order ID. I just want to give it some number and address of the customer or the shipping address of the order to be delivered, and the order raise date. I am giving today's date, and the order amount, let's say it's worth $1,000. By clicking on save, I'm just adding a new order to the customer. So now you can see the order here. Under the list of orders raised by the newly added customer, you can see the order that I have added. So now we have completed the create. Now we have completed 2 operations, that is create customer and create order. So if you want to add one more order, you can click it here and a new window opens. Like if you click it here, a new window opens. You can you can raise a new order for the same customer and click on save. Then you can see the newly added order in this list here for the customer Soumya. So as we have completed create, let's just check it on the console. As you can see it here in the console, customer has been created and an order has been created for the customer. Customer has been created and an order insert into order table. This represents the creation of a new order for the customer. Here insert into customer table represents the creation of a new customer. So go back to the browser, and now I am going to the second operation, that is, as you can see, if you click on it, you can see the details of order. This represents the retrieve order. And also if you just reload it, you can see that you can get all the customers. I have called the method get all customers in the Java program to get all this retrieved, the list of all the customers here. And now coming to the third operation, that is update. Let's just update the customer and order. I'm taking the same customer that I have created. To update, you need to click on this button, edit. A new window opens. You can update the customer with his name. You can change his name or contact number. I prefer changing the contact number, so I just added a new contact number for the customer named Soumya. Thus I have, by clicking on save, I have updated the customer record. So previously the contact number was different, and now it was updated to the newly added contact number. This you can check it from the table. So here this is the previous contact number that I have. Now I have updated it to some 770 and so on. So let's check that. So now you can see that the contact number is updated. So the update customer operation was successfully finished. Now let's go and update order. I want to update the order of this customer. So to update order of a customer, first you need to get the list of the orders for this customer. So here you click it here, it displays the list of orders that this customer have, and I want to edit this amount to $2,000. To edit, you need to click on this button so that you can edit the order. Now I don't want to change the order date or address. I just want to change the amount of order raised to $2,000. And on clicking save, you have updated the order, and the updated result is displayed here. So previously it was $1,000 and now it became $2,000. To repeat it again, I just want to change it to $3,000. I clicked on this edit record. I just want to change the money to $3,000, and on clicking save, you can see this 2000 will change. Now it is 2000. On clicking save, it will change to 3000. Save. So you can see it here that it changed to 3000. Thus I have updated the order of this particular customer. Thus let's check if the order is updated in the order table. So order table, yeah, as you can see, for the customer I have created, the amount was updated to 3000. The order ID is same, it was updated. Thus we can prove that the update order operation was successful. Now the final operation, that is the delete operation. Here comes the interesting thing, that if you, as it is one-to-many relationship between the customer and orders, if you delete a customer, all the orders related to that customer should get removed. Let's check if that is happening. First I have one order for this customer. So if I delete this customer, this order should get removed from the data table. So currently in the data table I have the order with order ID 6 for the customer with customer ID 4. Let's just review it. I have the order ID 6 with customer ID 4. On removing this customer of ID 4, I should get this order record removed from this order table. That is, I should get displayed only these 5 orders. So first I will remove the customer. So to remove the customer, you just need to see which customer you have to remove, and I want to remove this customer, and these are the orders that I have for this customer. So I'll click, I have only one order raised for this customer. To delete a customer, I need to click it here, delete, and it asks if you are sure to delete. Yes, I want to delete. So you can see as the customer is removed, the related order is also removed. You can't no more see that order. Thus we have proved the one-to-many relationship between customer and orders. So let's check in the table. So here, this is the previous one. I had the customer of ID 4, and so I had an order raised by him. So as I have removed the customer, now the customer table shouldn't have the list. In the list of its customers, it shouldn't have a customer with ID 4. Let's check if that has happened. Yeah, you can see that there is no customer that I have added. So that is the customer with ID 4. So obviously that in the order table, even the order raised by the customer should not be present. Let's check. As you can see, as the deleted customer with ID 4 doesn't have any entry in this order table, that is, there are no orders raised by customer D, a customer of ID 4. Thus we can prove that successfully we have proved the deletion operation of customer, and also the one-to-many relationship between customer and order. Now coming to the last operation, that is deletion of order. To delete an order, you can see here that these are the list of customers, and to get the list of orders for each customers, as I have previously told, you can just click it here. If you click it here, you can get the list of orders for this customer, and suppose I have to delete this order. So if I click it, delete, it asks if you are sure to delete the order. If you delete this order, it should no more display on the order table. So yes, I want to delete this order. As you can see, there is only one. The previous order was deleted, and now it displays only one order for this customer of ID 1 have only one order in the order table. Let's just check it here. Yeah, here previously there are 2 orders for the customer. Now as I have removed one, there should be only one order for the customer of customer ID 1. As you can see, there is only one order for this customer. Now again, let's see if I want to delete orders for the second customer. I'll just press this button, and here displays the details of the orders of the customer name ID 2. I just want to remove one order of amount 80. Yes, I want to delete this order, and now you can see there is only one order for this customer of ID 2. That is amount 80 order is removed. You can see it here. So previously there are 2 orders for the customer ID 2. I have removed this order, so it should not display in the table. Yeah, here we can see that there is only one order for the customer ID 2. So thus we have successfully proved that the deletion operation of order is also successful. So a brief review of all the operations. First, I have this URL. I just reload it now. So here comes the customers list. This I got by calling the retrieve method of customer, that is get all customers. And if you want to add a new customer, that is create customer operation, you can just click it here and enter the details of the customer and save, so that a new customer will appear in the list here. And to second operation of customer, that is the retrieve, that we have already seen now. And the third operation is the update. To update, you just need to click on the edit button. It will ask which parameter do you want to change or update, and you can change it here and save. And the fourth final operation is the delete operation, delete customer. If you want to delete, you can just click it here. It asks if you are sure to delete the customer. If you go on and proceed and delete, then the customer will be deleted. And as I have previously shown you, by deleting the customer, the related orders will also get removed, and this proving the one-to-many relationship. And now coming to the orders. First operation of order is create. So first let me go to the retrieve operation of orders. To retrieve orders, that is to get the list of orders for a particular customer ID, that you can get it by clicking it here. This shows the retrieve operation of order. And next, coming to the create operation of order. Create order, you can just click it here, then you'll get the details to be entered. And if you click on save, you have successfully created a new order, and the created order will be displayed in this list here. And the third operation is update. To update an order, you have to just click on this edit button. It asks you to update the order. Do you want to change the order date or amount or address, anything? You can change the parameters of order and you can save it. Thus completes the update order operation. And then delete operation of order, you just click on delete, and it asks you if you are sure to delete. If you go on and delete, press the delete button, you have successfully deleted the order. Thus we have completed all the operations of customer and order. Thank you.